Alright, so these are going to be the BOSLLA Bullets bulb in a 2004 Nissan Xterra. The dual filament, high and low beam, same bulb. So there's your white. And you just briefly, for half a second or whatever, shut the lights off, turn them back on, and they will go from white to run the white and yellow LEDs, and then do it again just for the yellow LEDs. These are the dual filaments, so there is no flashing yellow because it also has the brights. White and yellow. And there are the yellows. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but there they are. And the brights, they're only the white. BOSLLA Bullet headlight bulb, dual filament. LED. Alright, BOSLLA Bullets. The ones with the low and high beam dual filament LED. Replaced in a 04 Nissan Xterra. They have regular halogen bulbs. There's your low beam, white. There's your low beam, white and yellow. There's your low beam, yellow. And since these are dual filaments, there is no blinking. It gives you the high beam. But let's say you have it on your lows and they're on the yellow. You can flash white on the high. So when I do it again, they go back to white. They do not blink. Dual filament ones do not blink. Emergency, flashing yellow. There's your low beam. There's your high beam. And in my opinion, I can see better than I could with regular bulbs, even with the Silver Stars. Silver Star halogen bulb. Darker than what it looks like in the video. This phone has a pretty decent dark night camera, whatever.